Welcome to £1 Dinners, my new series where I'm sharing tasty and filling recipes for less than £1 per person. Today we're making spicy tomato pasta, which costs 95p per portion. Start out by boiling your pasta and then in a large frying pan, sauté your onion until soft. Then you want to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, chilli flakes, paprika and garlic powder. Followed then by 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and you want to loosen the sauce with some leftover pasta water. Season with salt and pepper if needed, and then add in some grated parmesan, your cooked pasta, and finally some fresh parsley. You can add extra pasta water if needed to get the sauce to the consistency you like, and serve it by itself or with some vegetables. Comment below what I should make next.